give you my top 3 allergy recommendations because it's been pretty brutal this season. Obviously, prevention is best. DHIS is a great thing for that. But if you already have an active situation where you're really suffering, I like a non-sedating antihistamine like Zyrtec. If you're congested, a short-acting decongestant like Pseudoephedrine or Sudafed. And also go with some Flonase nasal spray used for at least 1 to 2 weeks. If you'd like some more information, please check out our YouTube video, or of course, always call 201-997-2010, and we'd be happy to talk to you personally. Thanks.